Hello guys, welcome back to our Netherlands channel. We are from the Netherlands. No, we're from Russia. And today we will say what is the Netherlands for us. Like Russian edition of the Netherlands.
Yeah, we lived in the Netherlands 2 years,
Yeah.
and we miss this country very much. And we have some feelings about how we associate Netherlands with which.
Like synonyms.
Stuff, yeah.
Synonyms to the
So
word Netherlands.
my first synonym is cheese. Netherlands, it's cheese.
Tulips.
Tulips. Bicycles.
Tall people.
A lot of unique style. This is cloth. I mean,
Colorful clothes.
colorful clothes and unique style of how people wear these different clothes. Yeah.
Peter the Great.
Peter the
Peter
Great.
the Great. Yeah. We had a lot of interesting museums
Okay.
there. So
Haring.
Peter the Great. Haring!
Haring.
Wow! Tasty! So, haring, stroopwafels.
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 You know, calmness, silence, and
Hezeling. Hezeling.
Hezeling. Hezeling.
I had previous video about Hezeling.
Hezeling. It's typical Netherlands things, and I didn't feel this. I didn't have this feeling in other places ever. So in Netherlands, it's every day Hezeling. In other places, it's just something other.
Okay. Wheat?
Pшеница.
No, like travka.
Weed.
Weed.
Marijuana.
Marijuana.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of close. So, Albert Heijn.
Now I should say 6000, but
Okay.
it's too obvious.
Yeah.
No, I would say Van Gogh.
Van Gogh.
Van
yeah.
Gogh. My lovely Van Gogh.
North Sea.
Ah.
North Sea.
Yes, it's so beautiful. Well, dogs at the bicycle.
Dogs.
Dogs. I mean, when
Dog.
dog in the basket of the bicycle.
Okay, yeah,
Fun.
it's fun. It's very special. Churches. These old cathedrals, churches. Every city, every small town has churches, and they're actually very beautiful.
Protestant or Catholic?
Most of them are Protestant, I think.
But what do you prefer?
It's different video.
Okay.
I'll say it next time.
Okay. Well.
Yeah, so Netherlands, it's a lot of Catholic churches, Protestant churches.
Okay. This nut. How do you call this?
I know not.
Nuts.
Yeah,
Как
nuts.
они называются?
Macadamias.
Macadamias nuts.
Yeah, we ate lots of macadamias in the Netherlands.
I know they import macadamias from Africa.
Yeah,
I think,
but it's typical Netherlands
That's typical Netherlands
for us.
macadamias.
Yeah, because we ate it.
Only in the Netherlands.
Yeah, in Moscow, in Russia, you can't buy
There is no
macadamias.
macadamias.
No macadamias. Okay. Carne milk.
Carne milk. Like, yeah, kefir.
It's close, yeah.
Yeah,
But it's a bit. Carne milk is something more special.
yeah, it's special. Well, French fries, but not French fries, but potatoes.
Yeah, potatoes.
Fried potatoes with mayonnaise. With fried potatoes with mayonnaise. Do you remember that? With
Okay.
mayonnaise. It's strange.
Okay.
Near museum of that girl. in Amsterdam.
Anne Frank.
Anne Frank, forgot the name.
Yeah, we found the best potatoes
best
in the world. You could find it just near Anne Frank Museum
Yeah,
in Amsterdam.
so tasty.
There is a guy who sells potatoes, and just come and buy from him because he is
And this guy, he's so
God of potatoes.
showman. He like,
yeah.
oh, my potatoes is best in the world, like that. Actually,
Not
he's
like
so fun.
this, not
I
like
mean,
this.
he's so funny.
Yes, he's funny, but he.
Not maybe like this. I'm just not good.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
Just beautiful nature around, and I mean a lot of these small gardens and a lot of green stuff just around streets. A lot of trees. I love trees.
Okay, interesting.
It's one of the most greenest country, I think. Next.
Silent train, silent wagon, как сказать? Silent wagon. Silent wagon? I think it's wagon. Wagon. In a train.
In a train. Silent places
Silent
in a train.
places where you have to be silent, like don't talk loudly.
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah.
A lot of green fields, a lot of agricultural small, relatively small fields around, and they're very cute. Every piece of land used for some agricultural needs, and it's really beautiful.
Yes. Cherry, как будет черешня? Cherry?
Yeah, something like this.
Cherry berry trees. And free cherry around the park nearby the Rhine river.
Yeah, we walked nearby the Rhine, and a lot of cherry trees around, and you could just
ate a lot of berries, and also a lot of berries nearby the road. So do you remember this road?
Yeah.
And there are a lot of different cherries.
It's not for it's private cherries, but near Rhine there is some trees, whereas it's just
for free and so tasty.
Yeah.
Because in shop it's around €3. You know.
Yeah. So. Typical Dutch rain.
Yeah.
It's rain which is, when we have rain in Russia, it's rain, but it's
Waterfall.
very short in most cases, or very long, and it's very heavy in most cases. And in the Netherlands, it's very often when you have this tiny rain.
And you have your raincoat with you.
Yeah, every time.
Every time you go anywhere, did you take your raincoat?
Yeah.
And we prefer not to take umbrella, we take coats.
Yeah.
Okay, what next? Oh, it's a bicycle bag. Very beautiful, colorful, big two-side bicycle bag, which you stick to your back side of the bicycle. Very I had with strawberries.
Yeah, we still have it. We
So
bring
nice.
it back to Russia, so we use them. It's a very good thing. So let's continue in our next video. A lot of stuff we just said we're associating with the Netherlands. We hope you had fun watching this video. Please write your own associations in the comments below this video.
So what is the Netherlands for you?
Yeah.
See you, bye.
Bye bye.